Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable mention to Mem Yunda Lestari MPD as our lecturer to advanced speaking. My name is Suci Mesari with NPM 2423016, and today I want to review article with the title Implementation of Problem-Based Learning to Improve Student Speaking Skill. First one is background. Speaking is one of the most essential skill in learning English, yet many students continue to face challenges such as low self-confidence, accent, and limited vocabulary. According to Brown, in 204, speaking is an interactive process of considering meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information. Turnberry in 2005, emphasizing that speaking requires mastery of fluency, accuracy, and interaction. Traditional teacher-centered approaches often fail to provide adequate opportunities for students to practice speaking activity. Therefore, problem-based learning or PBL serves as an alternative approach that encourages students to engage in meaningful communication through solving real-world problems. So, what is teaching speaking? Teaching speaking refers to international effort aimed to developing learners' ability to use spoken language effectively. Noonan 2003 stated that teaching speaking involves enabling learners to produce speech in real communicative context. Harmer in 2007 adds that teaching speaking should focus on developing fluency, encouraging interaction, and fostering meaningful language use across various communicative situations. What is PBL? PBL, or Problem-Based Learning, is an intellectual approach that uses real-life problems as the starting point for learning. Brown and Temley in 1918 defined PBL as a model in which students work collaboratively to solve authentic problems. Homoselfer in 2004 explained that PBL not only enhances problem solving and collaboration but also promotes self-directed learning and critical thinking. Purpose of using PBL. The main purpose of implementing PBL is to help students become autonomous and critical learners. Xavier in 2006 highlighted that PBL is designed to develop learner independence and responsibility for their own learning. Baron in 1996 stated that PBL aims to strengthen critical thinking, collaboration, and communication skill. Additionally, Homoselfus in 2004 notes that PBL encourages student engagement and support long-term knowledge retention. The next is step of PBL. PBL typically follows several core steps. That process begins with the presentation of a challenging and relevant problem. Students then clarify key concepts to better understand the situation in the inquiry and investigation stage. Learning gather information and analyze possible solutions. Afterwards, students formulate and finalizing the most appropriate solution and present their finding to the class or the other group. The process concludes with reflection, where the student evaluate their work and learning process. Their stages are adapted from the PBL models proposed by Fromming and Homoselfers. Example speaking activities. EPBL offers multi-opportunities for students to develop speaking skill through meaningful communicative activities. Common speaking tasks within PBL include role play based on real-life issues, debates on proposed solution, problem solution, presentation, and public discussion simulation such as two-hour held meeting. This activity requires students to use language spontaneously and cohesively to express ideas in authentic social contexts. Benefit for speaking. PBL provides several benefits for improving speaking skill. Xavier in 2006 stated that PBL increases student confidence because they actively participate in solving problems. Brown in 2005 explained that interactive speaking activities within PBL enhance learners' fluency. Turnberry in 2005 emphasizing that PBL stronger argumentation and logical reason as the student define their solution. Furthermore, Commonwealth in 2004 highlight that PBL promotes collaboration and interaction. Recent study from 2023 to 2025 constantly show that PBL significantly improves student speaking abilities across educational levels. A 2023 study found that PBL enhances fluency and confidence, particularly among introvert learners. Research in 2024 reports that PBL improved university students' presentation and argumentation skill. In 2025, study involving elementary to tertiary students demonstrate that PBL strengthened collaboration, critical thinking, and the quality of oral interaction during learning activities. Problem-based learning is an effective method for improving students' speaking skill because it encourages active participation, meaningful practice, and collaborative learning. Through PBL, students become more confident and capable speakers who can express their idea clearly and effectively. Interesting real-world problem in the speaking lesson makes learning both engaging and purposeful, supporting the development of communication skill and critical thinking simultaneously.